Venture SportTrek ST320VIK for sale in Goodhue, Minnesota 55027. Get ready for your next adventure with this 2017 Venture SportTrek ST320VIK. This luxury travel trailer is 32 feet in length and features a charming floor plan that can comfortably accommodate up to 6 comfortably. It has been outfitted with one slide-out dining area, one full-length awning, as well as leveling jacks. This impressive RV has been very well maintained, which has enabled its clean condition. This 2017 Venture SportTrek ST320VIK travel trailer RV is perfect for anyone who appreciates a quality residential living experience right on the campsite. With top-of-the-line amenities and luxury appointments throughout, you can easily make this spacious travel trailer your next home away from home. It comes with exceptional options and features that offer the ideal combination of comfort and convenience. Highlights of these advantages include great cooking area with 3-burner stove, microwave, solid surface counter TopsRefrigerator / FreezerDouble kitchen, SinkDinetteOutside KitchenLP, FireplaceFlat screen television, sofa, SleeperFull bathroom, ToiletSinkShowerOutside, ShowerThree, Bunk, BedsMaster queen size bed, storage dressers / ClosetsOutside underneath, StorageAnnual inspection completed, only used 3.5 summers at seasonal sites with low miles hauled, and so much more. This 2017 Venture SportTrek ST320VIK is the ideal setup for anyone looking to make their traveling dreams come true. Perfect for anyone looking to create lasting memories with loved ones and friends. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity to truly cherish your RV experiences. This travel trailer is priced well below its true value, so call today for more information on how this incredible 2017 Venture SportTrek ST320VIK travel trailer can be yours.